We just installed this birdhouse. Thanks to the company for sending me this sample so I can review it for you. It didn't take long before we had our first guest. This little sparrow had already claimed this as his own home, and he was wondering what that camera thing was up there. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I put this together. I'm in the process of connecting this to my Wi-Fi and finishing the installation. As you see, we've already gotten the birdhouse up on a tree, and we've even had some visitors, so hopefully I'm not disturbing this too much. But now that it's warm and it's springtime, I'm super excited to get this connected so I can see what's happening in real time. After uploading the app, it's going to take me through some user-friendly steps. We put this in a position close to my house because of the wire. As you see, it does have a wire. You have to connect it manually to an outlet, just so you know, but that's fine. I have it real close to my house, so I'll be able to both look from my kitchen window and from my phone to see how these birds are doing. Super excited. The quality of this birdhouse is really, really nice. So I'll try to give you an update once we have some actual activity, but overall super pleased. Really easy. You see it just kind of closes manually here with this little tab that you rotate. So if you need to get in there and clean it or whatever, you could do that, and then you can access the camera as well. Alright, so when you're setting this up, all you have to do is find this little white reset button, and you would hold it down for 10 seconds. And at that point, the camera will start to talk, and it's going to go through a whole procedure of going back to factory reset. You're going to need to do that, and then it will let you know when it's ready. And at that point, you go to the app, and then you just press this little plus sign on the app, and it will automatically detect your camera. You don't even have to use the QR code, but that is a backup method in case for some reason you can't get to your connection. But in this case, I was able to do it automatically after hitting that reset button. This is where the memory card is, so you can always take that out and take a look. Oh, there's one of our little birds right now. He's like, "What are you doing with my house?" They're not happy about that. So I'm going to put this back in here. Okay, so once you're ready to put it back in, it actually attaches with a magnet back there. So I just place it right there. You'll feel it connect. This is a really nice, high quality product. Not only does it look good, it works great, it's user friendly. The app also includes a live chat support system. So if this is something that you're looking for, you should definitely check this out.